Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.2 question 3 beat 1 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 3 beat 1. Now coming to the question, it is given that in the following APs find the missing terms in the boxes, and the given sequence is 2, 1 box, blank box and 26. So there are three items they have given, which out of which one is blank. Now let's see how we can solve this question. Moving on to the solution. Let us put the given AP in the below table. Guys, as usual, we are always creating a table so that it will help us to make our calculations easily without confusing among the numbers. So here I have created a 3-column table with 3 rows. Now naming first term to first cell, second term to second cell, third term to third cell, and putting 2 under first term and leaving second term blank because this is what we are going to find out, and putting 26 under third term. Similarly, naming A1 to first term, A2 to second term and A3 to third term. Guys, we are naming A1, A2, A3 because this will help us in while making our calculations. So for finding out the above AP, we need to find out the common difference. Guys, as usual, we always know that in order to find out an arithmetic progression, we need to first of all find out the common difference. So we'll be using the formula here. An is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. As usual, guys, you could see that this formula is coming to picture in each and every question. So this is one of the most important formula that we need to remember. Now, as we know the value for A1 and also have all the details of A3, let us apply the formula to get D. Guys, we know the value of A1 as well as we know the values of A3. Only the thing missing is A2. So whatever we know, let us apply to this formula and first of all find out the value of D. Now we get like 26 is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 1 into D. So here An is 26 because this is the third term, A1 is 2 and n is 3 because we are taking the third term here. So 3 minus 1 into D. D we don't know, we are going to find out. Or 26 is equal to 2 plus 2D, just solving the equation. Or 2 plus 2D is equal to 26, just moving the right hand side to left side or left side to right hand side. Or 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. The moving 2 to right side, we get 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. Or 2D is equal to 24, or D is equal to 24 upon 2, or D is equal to 12. So guys, we got the common difference as 12. Now we can derive the second term using the values of A1 and D. A1 is equal to 2, which is given, and D is equal to 12, we now derived. So guys, we very well know that in order to find out the next term, if we add the common difference to the current term, then definitely we get the next term. That is what we are going to do now. So A2 is equal to, A2 means second term, is equal to A1 plus D. That means current term plus difference, common difference. So that is equal to 2 plus 12, that is equal to 14. So we got the value for the missing second term is 14. That's all guys. This question is very simple and it's very easy. Just we need to understand what we need to do. Guys, if you have any questions, kindly write to me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, kindly subscribe and let your friends know. Thank you. Bye.